Welcome back to my princess lab! And we're gonna make some Pokemon slime! We need some food coloring, and we need a straw, and we need a fork, and we need a bowl, and we need cornstarch and some glue. Okay, this is liquid starch and this is glue. Let's begin! And so, we're gonna put the glue in it first. And so we have to put it in, and then we're gonna do something, and don't make a mess, okay? And if your parents said don't make a mess, then don't make a mess. We don't want to make a mess and put it everywhere, right? And now next we're gonna put our food coloring, and we're not gonna put a lot because we don't want it to be too dark. So we're just gonna put like 2 drips. That's enough, and now we're gonna mix it. I hope the color turned out great. We're like not red, they're like pink. Whoa. Cool. So we want to get all the red in. Do you hear my baby butter? And that's him. If you want to hear it, and if you check out the banner on the sides, I was in it, and you better seen it before this video. Ooh, it's starting to turn like pinkish. It definitely tastes bad. I hope you guys don't taste this because it's really bad. And it's like, look at it, like a dark pink. And we want to make sure all that glue's gone. And you want to make sure there's none of white because you all want it to be pink. And because it's bubblegum slime, right? And after it's all mixed, we're going to add the starch. And we're going to add a little bit and then stop. And then we're going to mix. A little bit. And then mix. Mix with that cornstarch that we put in. Ooh, it's going to turn like bubblegum slime. Look at it. A little bit. And then mix. Make sure that the cornstarch is mixed up there. Little bit, and don't make messes, and also for science unit, it's really fun to be creative and fun and make videos. And for all of the fans that are watching, and they can also subscribe on your bill. What's taking you down on my mommy's videos? If you saw her, she just made a brand new one about the hand sanitizer, and I just tasted it. It was so good, and this pink is going to look fabulous. And I have some cousins that I don't think they're gonna watch my Barbie video because I think they like grown-up videos instead of kid videos. So I really hope they like them because it's my first time of making a video, and this is my second one. And we're gonna add a little bit more until we're all done. A little bit. And this is where your mom helped me too. We have to be patient. And which video do you think I'm gonna do next? I don't know. Another slime video or an edible one? Which one? I'm thinking a comment below. We let it sit for 5 minutes. Now it's ready to dump it out. Let's dump it out. We're going to dump it out. So gooey. Ew, that's not like a foot. It's like Daddy's foot. Ew, it's sticky. Ew, it smells like pizza up. Ew. Mom just making words. She's just making faces, and those are really funny. Ew, it's like poop slime. Ew. Did Mom just laugh? Ew. It's so gooey. Yeah. Ew. It just smells like pizza up. Ew.
Isn't that awesome?
Huh? Make sure to blow and not stuck, and we don't want to drink glue because glue is like this. It's like but like touching it, it's like great, right? Friends out there. Did you guys see the big bubbles I made? And that was so cool, right? And now my mom said to just do anything, play with it, or make more bubbles. So I'm just gonna dig my hands in it. Yeah, let's blow up again. It feels so gooey, and it feels like pink throw up, and that dad threw up in the toilet, and it was pink, and it couldn't flush it. My favorite slime is I'm throwing the dark slime. What's your favorite slime in the comments? Because we really want to know. And give it a thumbs up for slime. If you don't like slime, give it a thumbs down. And I hope you get to subscribe to this video and use those bubbles, yeah. And try to not suck on it and try and blow like that. I hope you guys liked my video today, and then if you like slime, give it a thumbs up. Bye.